Hi, my name is Kourtney. I'm from the United States and I am an English teacher here on italki. I speak English with a North American accent. I was born and raised in New Jersey and I currently live in Pennsylvania where my teaching journey began. I received a 4-year degree in social science and I began working on my master's degree when I realized that my desire was to teach. Though I enjoy reading and singing as well, teaching is my passion. I've been teaching ESL online now for about 4 years, and I've worked with learners of various ages. I love watching as my learners grow in their English ability and reach the point that they are able to have an actual natural conversation in English. I teach one-on-one lessons that are catered to the individual learner, whether you're an absolute beginner or an intermediate learner who already has a foundation in the language. My aim is to work with you to increase your knowledge and skills and to help you grow confident in speaking the English language. I can also help you in expanding your listening skills as well as English reading comprehension. I will begin in our very first lesson assessing where your struggles are, where your strengths are. I will ask questions about your learning goals. From there, I will work with you to come up with a customized lesson plan. Aside from the customized lesson plans, my lessons will also include a variety of resources, including audio, video, news article, games, and more. I'll even assign homework that we will review at the beginning of each class. So stop waiting around. I encourage you to book your first lesson with me today so we can get started. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the classroom.